Ooh, what's up guys, this is Billy comes to you guys with a brand new video. Guys, you guys know I'm all about RGB lighting. You guys know I am, my room, you've seen my room, it has RGB lighting everywhere. So I was very happy when Ecolor decided to reach out to me through my email and ask me to review their TV backlighting kit. So I have it right here. We're actually going to break into this. They specialize in TV backlighting, RGB TV backlighting, so it's pretty cool. We got some airtight thing here. We got a box, empty box here. Okay, here we go. So packing slip, and put that to the side. Dreamcolor TV backlighting kit. Look at that. Ghost, you want to see it? You want to see it, puppy? Come here. Come here. Come here, good boy. You want to see the backlighting? Look how cool that looks. Oh, you just sneezed in my face. This is pretty cool because we don't have any TV backlighting, and I wanted to get something for the living room TV. So that's why we're in the living room right now. If you're wondering why we're not at the normal location. So we're gonna break into this, see what's in the box here, and set it up, see what this is all about. So firstly, we have a remote control. Here we go. Here's the little remote control. We also have the LED strip with the controller module right here. Pretty cool. I wonder how long this is. I'm guessing maybe like 16 feet. Got some pre-applied 3M on the back. That's always nice. And put that to the side. Let's see what else is in here. We have the power supply. Very nice. Just plug into a wall, plug into the power strip, and you're good to go. Looks like it's pretty lengthy as well, so that's nice. And the user manual, which we are going to use because I don't know anything about this, so I'm going to have to read up on this. But that's it for the unboxing. We're going to set these up, and I'm going to show you how to do it and all that good stuff, and we're going to get into this. Alright guys, so I got the TV backed out of the wall here. All we got to do is take the LED strip here. We got to run this along the corners. So, boop, 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 just like that. And then we should be set up, and then the 3M module, and we set up the E-Light or Ecolor app, and we should be good to go. Alright guys, so now we are on the Ecolor app. Oops, sorry about that. We're on the Ecolor app. I'm going to connect it to my phone. It also has a remote control. If you'd rather not connect it to your phone, you could use the remote control that it comes with. But I'm just going to try it with the app and see how it is. Okay, so if you're confused on which lighting strip you have, it's on the box. It has the code name. In my case, it's E2B66. You just connect it right there. So now we got to register an account if you want to connect it through the app. Okay, so we're fully registered now. Press any button on the device. That's what we got to do. So right here, we just press any button. So I'm guessing we'll press the power button. There we go. And now we connect to Wi-Fi. So type in my Wi-Fi password. You're gonna want to connect to the 2.4 gigahertz band. That's just more compatible with, you know, basically every smart lighting thing out there only is 2.4 gigahertz. So we made the device name, tend to keep it default. Now it's just finished. So I want to show you what this thing could actually do. Ooh, that looks cool. Okay, so let me manage this. Alright guys, so the app was a little buggy, so I stopped using the app, and I'm just going to use the controller for now until I get the app part of this sorted out. But as you can see, we're even in daylight right now, and the lights are bright enough. So I'm going to give you a little showcase of what we got going on here. So through the remote, you can do the same thing on the remote that you can do through the app here. So they have colors like red, so if we point at the IR blaster, there we go, red. They have like normal colors, green, blue. They got blue, actually looks really nice. I really enjoy it. Then they have modes. They actually have modes you can go through. So if we press, there we go. We got like a what's this, like a green, yellowish. Then we have a yellow, orange, blue, like a cyan, dark blue, pink. Oh, that was actually purple. This is pink. That looks really cool. Just got a bunch of modes here, and we also have effects. There's also brightness, so if you want to tone down the brightness, you can do that. Like this is all through the remote. Like you don't even need the app to do this if you don't want to. Different colors, I already showed you before. And then they have modes. They have a breathing mode for red. It like breathes in and out. That's really nice. Maybe nice little Netflix night or something. Have the red. And we have a faster breathe. So they also have a rainbow mode. If you're interested in that, you could use the rainbow mode. Going back to green, yellow. They have like a color cycling mode. It's pretty cool. This actually really surprised me. And I want to thank Ecolor for actually sending this out to me. You guys are pretty awesome. I think I might just stick with the blue. Because the blue, I don't know, it just looks nice. But yeah, anyway, thank you guys. And I appreciate each and every one of you for tuning in today. Please do me a favor, click on that like button, share the video with your friends. If you're at all interested in any of Ecolor's products, be sure to check them out. I'll leave their website below or their Amazon link, whatever they have. And yeah, I'll see you guys later. Adios for now, dudes.